Bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui, on va parler de chapitre 2.3. Now that we've learned all of our school subjects, our schedule, how to say our school schedule, the calendar, all of that stuff, now we're going to be talking about how to ask somebody how do they like a class, and then responding. So we're going to be talking about asking for and expressing opinions about our classes. All right, and this is a very, very short étape, not a lot of information. It all fits on one slide, but there's a lot of information on this one slide. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, s'il vous plaît. All right, this étape focuses on two questions. One's very specific, asking about a class, and one is a little bit more general, just asking about anything. All right, so we start off with how do you like biology? Comment tu trouves la biologie? And we can sub out this biology for any one of our classes. Comment tu trouves la chimie? How do you find chemistry? Comment tu trouves la danse? How do you find dance? So on and so forth. This verb trouve, the infinitive is trouver. It is a regular ER verb, which you should know what that means by now. Regular ER verb. And it means to find. To find. So translating the sentence literally, it would be, how do you find biology or biology class? How do you find biology? However, in English, we don't really use the verb find in that kind of way too often. So we would more likely say, how do you like biology? How do you like biology? But just know trouver, the infinitive trouver can mean to find as well. To find or to like. Comment tu trouves la biologie? Comment tu trouves l'algèbre? Comment tu trouves la danse? Comment tu trouves les arts plastiques? How do you like all of those classes? So now that we know how to ask about a specific class, we can also ask, how do you like that? Just anything in general. Just anything in general. And it is comment tu trouves ça? Comment tu trouves ça? If my friend came up to me and said, hey, I got a new laptop over the weekend, I may say, comment tu trouves ça? How do you like it? How do you like that? Just something in general. All right, and now that we have asked these questions, we need to know how to answer them as well. So we're going to start off with our really good expressions, our good answers. And all of these start with this little expression here, say, which means it is, say. It is easy, it is great, it is super cool, it is interesting, it is fascinating. Répétez-moi, c'est facile, c'est génial, c'est super cool, c'est intéressant, c'est passionnant. All right. Maybe your partner has asked you, how do you like a class? And I mean, it's not the greatest thing ever, but it's not terrible. Let's learn some of those expressions as well. These do not start off with say. My mouse just went crazy. These do not start off with say. We just say them as is. And we've seen all of these before, which is really cool. Comment tu trouves la biologie? Ça va. Comment tu trouves l'algèbre? C'est pas mal. Comment tu trouves la danse? Bof. All right. Répétez-moi, ça va? C'est pas mal. Bof. All right, we learned this one, I believe, in the premiere étape of chapitre 1, ça va. We learned it as, hey, how's it going? Literally, it means it goes. We learned it first as, hey, how's it going? How are you? And we could respond with ça va. You can ask it and answer with it. Ça va? Ça va. So you're asking, hey, how's it going? And you're responding, it goes. It's not terrible, but it's okay. And it means the exact same thing for our classes as well. Comment tu trouves la biologie? How do you like biology? Ça va. It's okay. It's not the best thing, but it's not the worst thing. C'est pas mal. Répétez-moi, c'est pas mal. Means it's not bad. It's not bad. And then we have our expression of indifference. Répétez-moi, bof. Which again is very similar to what we would say in English, ugh, ugh. How do you like biology? It's not terrible, but it's okay. Ugh, bof. Répétez-moi, bof. That's a fun one. All right, and then maybe your partner asks you about a class and you absolutely hate it. Hopefully it's not French class, but we should learn some ways to respond if we absolutely hate that specific class. Let me move myself out of the way. And again, these ones all start with this little expression here, say, which again means it is. It is difficult, it is not great, it is not super, it is a waste of time, it is useless, and it's boring. We can be pretty harsh in French. All right, répétez-moi s'il vous plaît. C'est difficile. C'est pas terrible. C'est pas super. C'est zéro. You're literally saying it's zero. It's nothing. It's a waste of time. Répétez-moi, c'est nul. C'est barbant. It's boring. All right, again, we can be pretty harsh in French. Hopefully you're not using any of these to talk about French class. I will get mad if you do. All right, I hope that this video helped you out a lot. That's all that I have for you. Again, this is it for this chapter. This is it. If you're filling out these notes, hopefully, again, this video found you helpful. Hopefully you found it helpful, sorry. And I will see you all later. Au revoir, à bientôt.